Hi everyone, right now is about 5:49 p.m. and we walk around the neighborhood to the park because we cannot drive it. I think we can drive,
Yeah,
but they just want to walk. Okay, Selene, come.
I'm gonna wear gloves and hopefully grassy.
So this is our area at Houston, Texas. The snow is area is still pretty cold, but not. I feel like it's not that cold compared to 2001.
Really?
Yeah, 2001 is more colder.
Way colder because of negative?
Yeah, but today it's not that cold, and the good thick part is it's about
Yeah, look at this fluffy
the snow is thick compared to last time.
No, okay, you wanna see how deep
It's more snow. I think about 4 inches,
No, look, that.
3 to 4 inches.
Come here. Look how deep it is.
Yeah, see this deep of the snow. See that? More
so
deep.
bad.
See like that. See, you check my phones using my. Oh, my credit card. I think your credit card is better.
No, you don't.
So if I take your, okay, never mind. I can take my credit card out. Okay, this is my credit card. This is my credit card. Almost the length of my credit card. Just a little bit.
I don't think they would like it if we do it.
That's almost the length of my credit card.
Oh no, it is the length.
Yeah.
Right?
So it's.
Dad, they don't mind to have a lot of footprints, right?
I think they do, man.
Whatever.
Okay, let's go. Be careful. Walk slow.
Let's have a good sister to open this place. But in the morning, it was actually covered more, right?
Yes. Now tomorrow will be gone.
Well, tomorrow.
You know why the concrete is more faster to the snow gone faster? You know why?
Why?
Because concrete has heat. Hey, no. Okay, let's go.
Well, guys, look. Yay! Woo! This is super boring.
You know, Sophia, in Herman Park, people can slide because on the hill. Remember? Miller Outdoor Theater.
Oh, you want to go there?
No. You want to go there right now?
Yeah.
I think it's today, maybe. I think we might be able to go there. Let's see.
I didn't find socks. I didn't find any gloves. I just used socks.
Wow, Celine is very creative.
No, she stole the idea.
You don't eat like that.
Why?
A lot germ.
And
Well,
she doesn't touch on grass.
No. Because when they fly from the sky, it's a lot of germ.
Smiley face.
We have a smiling face. Who this is? 4 people.
I know. Fake mom, Sophia, me, dad. No, this should be it. This is the correct one. Mom, no, me, Celine. She has a black eye. Just kidding. Daddy, mommy, shouting. Is it okay if we play it on the snow a little bit?
Okay, let's go for a walk, everyone. I think you guys stay.
We're distracted with the snow because it's so fun. More icy. We walked in. That way I'll be actually playing. Dad, you don't mind if I step with this. Hey, don't do that.
Hey, come here. Do not go there. You say you want to go to the park, right? Yes. Why?
There might be a little bit of ice like this underneath it, or there's like right next to it, like at the back of the car.
Okay.
And also it can be snow covered, so when you start driving, it can like start to slip, right?
Yeah, you know, in.
You don't have any work today, right?
No, I don't work.
So today's a special day for Houston.
Yes, today everyone is not working.
Even Mom.
Your mother also not working too.
But it doesn't matter. It's her break anyways, right?
What?
It's her break anyways.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad, this snow is too fluffy. So like, don't go on the land. Just like this. I actually like this. Don't look at my shoes, everyone. Look at my shoes, everyone.
But this is thick.
Thick snow, yeah, I know.
What happened? Okay.
Here it is.
Oh, I think it's fruit.
Look, everyone. I think that's
Hey, come. We need to walk faster.
Dad, that's it. Dad, look. Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, these are footprints. Somebody must have looked at it or something.
Tomorrow is more dangerous. You know why?
Why?
Because the ice tonight is cold. The snow will be turned into ice.
Really?
Yes. See, like this is the danger to walk. When it become harder, it's very dangerous to walk. You can fall down.
Okay, that's why you say ice skating?
Yes, it's dangerous.
Are we gonna-
Might be fun for you guys, but a lot of people it's dangerous.
Can I go ice skating?
Yes.
Yes!
A lot of old people will be fall down. When old people fall down, that's it.
It's younger than that.
Yeah, the pass.
Today can also be it because look.
Wow, see, we take a fruit tree.
Dad, the snow is so cool looking, right?
So should we move to somewhere cold?
Dad, the snow is so fluffy and looks innocent, right?
But it's dangerous, right?
No, it's fun to play with it.
Uh,
Last one?
it can be dangerous. A lot of people get killed because it's too cold.
No.
So then, I don't want you to fall down. Follow us.
Oh, and it's snowing too. Their
Yeah.
snowing looks better though.
Yeah,
But
there's
I
no.
had a marshmallow hat.
Yeah, see, they harvest the snow. See the very beautiful snowman.
But Daddy, I don't want the snowman.
Yeah, we make snowman, but not that big like them. Maybe you take all the snow and throw it away.
Yeah. The boy. No, not the boy. What? I need to get out of bed. God, this is so good. Daddy, why so much straw? That was so fluffy, Dad.
Well, is that true? They build a very gigantic snow. See that tall?
Whoa!
So then
That's so much, right?
faster, Zelene. I see you.
I wonder how I'll get the monkey bar. It's okay. It's really matter about snow, not monkey bars.
Mm.
Monkey bars for other season when not snow, right?
Yeah.
I have every day.
Sophia, I like to stay in house with warm blanket and sleep.
Really?
Yeah, but you know why I come here?
Why?
You know,
For
very,
us?
yeah, for you guys.
Because when you want to go somewhere, you bring it to us even though you don't want to.
Yes.
Whoa, Dad, this one is slippery.
Yeah, be careful. Tesselin, be careful.
We're gonna.
You can follow my step.
I follow this way because I have my own friends, Daddy. Hey, you follow mine then. Dad, follow mine.
How's Lynn? Selena, are you cold?
Snow breaking ice.
Hey. Dangerous kid.
Snow breaking ice. Chase away. Snow breaking ice. The snow. You have big pods.
Yeah, I think they sit it with the palm tree right now, Sophia.
What?
They sit it with the palm tree right now.
You thought it was a snowman?
Yeah, because last time they have orange tree that all killed. Now they protect it.
Now they actually don't want to get.
Yeah.
Guys, in the morning, before anybody went out to play, like about 6.
Oh. So then we cross the road.
It's quite slippery, right?
Because that's a lot of water.
Yeah, we're gonna do this.
I think you can drive a car with no problem, but that's okay. You can.
No, look at the snow. You see over there?
Yeah, let's see. Holy crap! The world is going crazy.
What? The world is silent. This weather, Dad.
You know when I grow fruit tree, it scare me. I spend a lot of money to buy something to protect my fruit tree,
And then now,
but it's okay. Hi. Good. How about you? Okay.
Stay warm.
Yeah.
I like this weather. And plus, Dad, you need to get off the snow from your roof first, right?
Yeah.
Hey!
Hi. No, you don't need to have.
Look! Wait, so when we go there, it's gonna be filled with snow, right?
Yes.
I probably
Today
feel like there's nobody else going there except that car, maybe.
wow, this house is very snowy.
Can we go to our friend's house?
No, not yet.
I know she's not busy on a snow day.
Okay, I feel my head.
We're lucky that even some kids don't even have a chance to go out
Yes.
because they have to work or something. They have to study.
No, you need to go. You guys need to study. But some kids they don't have a chance because the parents don't bring them outside.
And they let them stay in.
Yeah, they all stay in.
So we're lucky actually.
You might be lucky.
Dad! Stop. Dad, don't baby. Oh, where's your foot? Dad.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Icicles starting.
You know tomorrow it get colder.
Really?
Yeah, but the ice break down. It get more colder.
More snow.
No, it'll be icy. Become more icy. Now it's snow. Snow and icy are different, Sophia.
I know.
Icy more.
But Dad, when you press the snow together, it's like different, right?
Yes.
Dad, I swear, if we went to that event and then it went, Dad, what happened in 1 hour? Daddy,
Yeah.
what happened if it was like 6 o'clock and then, well, it's 6 right now, but when we go there, they're gonna start a snow event, and then would you let me enter the snow
Yeah.
event? Like they would give you free tickets because it's a snow day today to slide down the mountain with the snow.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe.
Okay, let me hold Solene. And let's walk.
It's actually really empty right now. Dad, when I walk in the race, this is what my teacher said how I should walk like this. I shouldn't have to walk like this. I have to walk like
Yeah.
fast.
I think we can walk to Grendel just for fun.
Not now.
Wow, it's
Dad, I know how to get. Dad, I know how to protect your ice cream so you save electrical bills. Put your ice cream in the snow. Well,